Dawar Chyawanprash Pro Wrestling League, co-powered by अमल में दिव्य सज्जनों वक्त है मेंस 86 यानी के 86 किलोग्राम वर्ग कुश्ती मुकाबले का। मुंबई महारथी की ओर से आ रहे हैं भारतीय मूल के दीपक पूनिया। Chyawanprash Pro Wrestling League Season 4 को पावर्ड बाय अमल में एमपी योद्धाज की ओर से आ रहे हैं भारतीय मूल के दीपक कुमार।
Ladies and gentlemen, it's excitement out of its bounds right here at Dawar Chyawanprash Pro Wrestling League Season 4, co-powered by Amul. I am Joe Bhatt, and I'm having such a wonderful and insightful time with the CEO of Pro Wrestling League, Mr. Sunil Yash Kalra. Mr. Kalra, as you being a Santa Claus and gave us a good news about Vinesh Phogat, tell us more about that, because I believe there is a breaking news which no news channel or any other sports network is able to share as of now, because I don't think even they know about this.
Yeah, well, in fact, the Global Awards, Laureus Global Awards, she's been nominated for the World Comeback of the Year, and guess what? She's in the category where Tiger Woods is competing for the same award.
Oh, wow. That is the wonder. I think this last win for her is, of course, quite lucky. What would you say to
In
that?
fact, there is a backstory of Pro Wrestling League in that. Last year, Sun Yanan, the Chinese 55 kg girl, had come and defeated Vinesh in the same in the same league. And then you find her going to the Asian Championship, Vinesh taking the revenge and taking the gold medal. So after the injury in the Rio Olympics, she comes and loses here, and then she goes and clinches a gold medal. So therefore, there is a complete comeback of the year category that she qualifies in the world.
Wow. And being with Tiger Woods, that is quite an honor.
Absolutely.
Wow. Okay, coming back to this bout here, Deepak Punia and Deepak. MP Yodha Deepak right now, I think, is at a little disadvantage. Deepak Punia is in attack. Now, the only way these viewers can get to see, Deepak Punia is the wrestler with a red band on his vest.
Yes.
Whereas Deepak Kumar has got blue band.
In fact, the red and the blue corner comes into play only in a situation where you have two wrestlers of the same name, right?
Okay, so that's one of the other things, the brilliance of this sport is where you assign colors just in case. Because there are some names, there are times when you do not figure out that what name could it be, some different nationality. As of now, I think the first thing ever in terms of geography got to learn was, thanks to Pro Wrestling League, was that Moldova is not a sport drink, it's a country.
Yes, absolutely. So is Estonia, who's participating for the first time in India for the Pro Wrestling League.
Wow.
And
yesterday we had 9 different wrestlers. Oh my God.
Yes.
Estonian cricket. Deepak Punia at the advantage as of now. I think he's converted his attacks very nicely. And Deepak Kumar from MP Yodhas is a little defensive right from the word go. You can see his body language. I think he's there. He wants to just be spread eagled on the mat. He's very comfortable, looks like.
Yes, absolutely. You see Deepak Punia charging on the attack. He's the new kid on the attack, and in fact, it won't be. He's one of the next prospect to be competing in the Tokyo Olympics for India. One of the
medal hopefuls?
Yes, absolutely. He's one of the first Indians to win a world title in the heavyweight category when he won at the Junior Cadet World Championship from India last year.
Wow. And 2018, it's the Sibley Grand Prix bronze medal.
Yes. So he's been practicing at his village Akhada in Haryana, and suddenly his father realized that, he can't go beyond a point. So now he's gone and he now trains at Chhatrasal Stadium, and he stays there.
So yeah, these are the facilities, I think, which do matter when it comes to a sport like this. Traditionally, I mean, you are heavy on your food and you're heavy on your exercise. You want to bulk up.
Absolutely. In fact, there's a small backstory on the food part. His father gets milk and ghee every day for him.
Ladies and gentlemen, with a 4-point advantage. We're ready for round number 2, full of excitement. Deepak Punia and Deepak Kumar head on head. Deepak Kumar is not to be rated very lightly because, as we can see, that he has been the 2016 National Championship gold medal winner, 2017 National Championship silver medal winner, Commonwealth Championship 2017 gold medal winner. So Deepak Kumar from MP Yodhas is also not a everyday Joe.
Not at all. In fact, he's been one of the better ones in this category, and that's why he's been chosen for the Pro Wrestling League, and his name came in for the auction. He's won a lot of international bouts, but he's been a little unlucky at the crucial bouts. He goes, he wins the classification matches and the qualification matches, but suddenly the last 30 seconds he kind of gives up on those crucial bouts.
Okay, right now, Pooja Dhanda on the screens, looking all nice and bright. This bout as of now between Deepak Punia and Deepak Kumar, there's something interesting you were telling me during the break about Deepak Punia being called a choti wala. Why would that be?
Well, he's got his little quirks, as you would know. You know, whenever he's not having one of those good weeks in the practice, so what he goes to a barber shop, gets his head shaved, and keeps a long choti, as they call it. So that's how in the
ponytail.
Yeah, whatever you call it. But in Akhada, I'm sure they have their own ways of teasing him.
Choti wala.
Yes,
choti wala.
Certainly.
So interesting when you said that his father is as dedicated, see, with supporting your son every day from the village, going to Chhatrasal Stadium with milk and ghee.
Yes, in fact, the diet plays very important role, but more than the diet here, the dedication of the family. As you could see, father is a farmer in a small village close to Sonipat, and they ferry the milk, the cow's milk, as it's called, and he loves that. And he gets him 5 liters of milk every day in his own little DTC buses.
Okay, these are just the drinks we're talking about, and in his snacks, it's desi ghee. That's how drinks and snacks happen for a wrestler in an everyday job. Right now on the job, these two wrestlers trying to win the bout for their team. That's Mumbai Maharathi Deepak Punia competing with MP Yodhas Deepak Kumar. Both are quite talented wrestlers, and I would say that Deepak Punia has grown over the years.
Yes, in fact, he's done that last year when he had that famous bout when he defeated Satyavrat. You remember that bout?
That went down in the history records of Pro Wrestling League. Ladies and gentlemen, right now with just about 10 seconds of play, with a 4-point advantage, Deepak Punia is ahead. And as of now, both the teams are neck and neck. Now we need to see how would that roll. And yes, with this very bout, I think it's on point superiority. We have a winner, Deepak Punia, for Mumbai Maharathi, taking it away.
मत ले पंगा।